Boss TV. So hi guys and welcome back again to my channel. So today guys is I will teach you how to make lines with angles in AutoCAD. So for your information guys, in doing some AutoCAD stuff, we need also do some angles. So if you want to know and want to learn, so let's start, okay? So before we start guys, as we have to check first the grid settings, okay? The settings itself, if it is dimension and the angle is turned on. So right click this one, snap settings, okay? Good, snap settings. See the dropping settings here is good, is dynamic input, okay? Let these two check guys, so that you will see the dimension and the angle itself, okay? So if you want, if you see this one check, so now we can start now our exercise, okay? So by the way, before we start the exercise, I want to show some stuff how to perform the lines with angles in AutoCAD. So for example, you need to do like this, okay? So type L line, okay, 50, okay. Next, so you need to be example 50 angle 30. So someone guys do this stuff, okay, okay. They do first the angle 30, okay, and they type the dimension itself, example 50, okay. Oh, see, then 20. So escape, we have to check if this is correct angle or angle 30, okay. So how to check? So go type line here as a base reference, okay. Then we go to the angle, then the dimension and check if it is 30. Yes, it's 30, okay. So that's the way how to make command in AutoCAD with the use of angle, okay. So we'll do this exercise guys. This exercise is, you will see this in YouTube and in Google. So we can do it also here, okay, as our example, okay. So let's start on this one, okay. So I started 15, okay. So line polyline is the same guys, 15, okay. Then is ET. So we start from here, 15 guys, then 60, okay. Now this one, okay. So the angle shows is 67 degree. So from this one is 90 minus 67. So we need to go for calculator, okay. So 90 minus 67 is 23, okay. So the angle is 23 for dimension 65. So just click, okay, 23, okay. Guys, if you put positive 23, good like this, but if you put negative 23, it's good like down, okay. So I'm do this one, okay, 60, okay. I put shift angle. If you put angle 23, yeah, it's going down. But if you put positive, it's going above, okay? So what is the dimension? It's 65. Then, next is, okay, the next is, the dimension is 45, is the angle is 99, okay? So we need to do some mathematical equation, these guys, okay? So we get this one, we put this as base point, this one, okay? So we measure this one, okay, it's 157. So 157 minus 99. So 157 minus 99 is 58. So the angle itself is 58 for this one. So that we can get the 99, okay? So remove this one. Line, okay? So angle is 58. So 58. Okay, see? And the dimension is 45. Okay. Then next, Straight up is 30. Okay. Then the next is angle is 139. Okay. So I will have skip this one. So we need to put base point here. So guys, from this angle is 90. Okay. So we need to put 139. So 139 minus 90 cos 49. So 49. Okay, so that we can get the angle from here to here is 149. Well, okay, so 139 minus 90 is 49. So we get this one as reference or no need. Okay, so shape angle 49. Oh, see, and the dimension is 36.25. 25. Then going down 80. Okay, then see close. Okay, now we have to check if the angle here is correct. Okay, with the dimensions. I will delete now this one. So from here it's 80. So we have to check it is 80. Okay, it's correct, guys. This one 15. Okay, this one is 60. Okay, this one is 65. Okay, so the line. Okay, and the angle is 67. I hope it's correct. Okay, it's correct, guys. So from this one is this one, the angle is 99. So I hope it's correct. Okay, it's correct, guys. Then from this one, 30. Okay. Then the line, supposedly this one is 36.25, guys, but our dimension style is the decimal is only 1. So if you want to adjust this one, it's accurate 36.25. I will show you after this one. So we check the angle. Okay. See, it's 139. Then the dimension, DLI 80. Okay. So how to check this one? It is correct that the angle is 38. So just make base reference here. Okay. Then check the angle is 38. Okay. Okay, so it's correct. So for this dimension, guys, is our settings for dimension is the decimal is only 1. So we need to point something. Okay. So we can edit this one, but we can edit this one. All of this one will be changed. So I have to show you. I will to duplicate this one so that you can see. Okay. So we go to SDC 100. Okay. So dim style. Okay. So SDC 100. I have to we make new for that one. So sample SDC 100. That's one. Continue. Only for the primary units, guys. Okay. Oh, this one. Okay. So, okay. So, okay. So, for this one, we need to use the SDC dash 100 that we make. Okay. Oh, see? Now it's 36.25. Okay. So, today, guys, we just learned how to make lines with angles. So, I hope that you learned something in our tutorial today, and I hope you will see in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. See you and bye-bye.